How's it going? This is Matt Copeland. Today for our little episode of Inside Profile Racing, we're going to cover the Profile Imperial Sprocket. We usually do small parts, but today we're going to cover the Imperial A because they're being made, and B because it's been 27 years now and it's been still our staple sprocket that we make that kind of covers both freestyle and the race end of things. So I'm going to pass you along to Dave Briggs and have him go over the processing. These are 44s that are being made today, and we're actually switching to 33s after. So I'll have Dave take it from here. All right, Dave, we're making the 44 Imperials today. So give us a little insight if you don't mind.
Okay. Well, this is one of our mills. The sprockets are a mill-only job. There's no lathe work. So the plates that we actually have here go in and get bolted down. They're rigid. Around. The plates we use are 6061, and see here by these marks, they're saw cut instead of a shearing action, which is done sometimes. Saw cutting makes sure that the plates stay flat and they don't get any bends to them or anything along those lines. It just ensures that it's a flat sprocket. There you go. Now, here you can see inside the machine the process of the tool turning as it moves around the rigid plates. Right now it's using a ball end mill to do the flutes on the sprockets, which I'll show you in a second. This machine is a pallet machine, so if you look in here, there's a small window there. And then this here is the plate. Come around to the side. That's the plates in there with the end mill. And here's another set of fixtures. When it's done, this entire thing rotates 180 degrees. So these can be changed out while it's running inside of there. And you have this plate that protects from all the chips. So it can always stay running. These are the sprockets it's making at the moment. The process you saw in there, with the ball end mill doing the flutes, will actually come in, come around, and come out. And that's just due to the bevel inside of it. The regular end mill will actually come into each slot. We'll actually cut this section out right here where it's lowered. We'll actually move around to the outside to actually cut half of the tooth form. Another end mill will come around, cut the tooth form itself. This one's actually a little big, but it'll come around here, cut these tooth forms out. Same with the sprocket bolt. It then turns around, this gets flipped over. Where the end mill then comes along, cuts the backside of the tooth form. Done in 2 steps, mainly because the pressure is down. We try to cut from the bottom, we run the risk of it lifting, causing shatter, causing differences in the tooth form. We make the machine 4 of these at a time for 48 minutes, which breaks down to 12 minutes per sprocket. And they go out to be anodized, and then we ship them out to you. Dave Briggs, Inside Profile Racing. Thanks for tuning in.